Hello YouTube, this is BMW Lee. Please take a look at this blue laser headlamp. It goes up to 600 meter at night and daylight. This is 2020 BMW X5 M50i. Of course, this is winter tires. So actual tire is 22 inches. And I'd like to show you this vehicle has a soft door close as well. Take a look. Harman Kardon speakers. When it's closed, it closes pretty softly. The second door as well. You'll see charging plug and iPad hanger, or it could be your clothes hanger as well. Dual climate system, heated seat in the back too. Soft door closed. We usually have the kick sensor open trunk as well. However, when you look at this vehicle, it has hitch system on the bottom. Therefore, we have to kill that sensor. But don't worry, we can still open with the key fob. Large space in the cargo area. A little extra space under the trunk as well. When you close, you can close with the button on the top. I will close the both two trunk in the back automatically. Yeah, when you take a look at inside, it's heated steering wheel. And you can always click that home button as well. Yeah, of course, touch screen. That is charging station, wireless. Heat and cold cup holder. So your iced coffee will be cold all the time. Your warm coffee will be staying hot all the time. Another function is really cool. This vehicle from 2020 X5 has like a dash cam, not like an old-time dash cam. I'm going to show you in a minute. You see BMW recorder, the driver recorder. You can click that. When you're recording it, it will record you all the time. So when you get an accident, it takes record about 40 seconds before and after the accident. So you can download that from the USB over here, and you can give to your insurance company or adjusters. So prove that it wasn't your fault. So now we're driving it. You can also, there's so many functions. Well, you gotta come down and take a look at it too if you have time, or go to the nearest dealership and ask a salesman how that things works, and ask them all the functions that I'm showing you. Okay? Have fun.